Welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill. My name is Jan, and this is what we're gonna make today. Tortilla Taco Wrap. Easy and delicious. First we're gonna need a wrap, and I use this whole wheat wraps. I like those. Let's make a small incision. And you know this TikTok hack, so we're gonna use it. It's about time I made one myself. 1 tablespoon of taco sauce. And really spread it out. Two tablespoons of minced meat. And I pre-cooked it with some corn. And I use some Santa Maria taco herbs. They're really good. Now some red onions. And you can make it with whatever you like. A big handful of cheddar cheese. That's really gonna melt deliciously. Is that even a word, deliciously? I don't know. Now let's fold this together. And everybody knows how this goes. And it's so easy. And really tuck everything in. You don't want it to fall out. It's ready to be pan-seared. Now let's do this. I use some good olive oil. I really heat that up. Now put in our tortilla wrap. And I pan-seared it for about 1 minute on each side. Or until golden brown. And man, I can tell you, it smells delicious already. It's ready. Let's eat. Look at that. Beautiful. It's all melted on the inside. Delicious. Now let's see how it looks on the inside. And I can tell you, it smells good. Now look at that. Melted cheese, corn, minced meat, red onion. Delicious. It's really, really delicious. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked my tortilla wrap. And as always, see you next time. You can also find me on Instagram, Sushi Chill and Grill.